Okay, today we learn exercise 1.4 in statistic first lesson. Okay, in 1.4 we learn two formula, aggregate expenditure method to find cost of living index number. First one method is aggregate expenditure method. That is, we find from two method, index number is equal to sigma p1 q0 upon sigma p0 q0 into 100, and second one is index number is equal to sigma p1 q0 sigma p1 q0 upon sigma p0 q1 into 100. Okay, then second formula is family budget method. That is, formula is index number I is equal to sigma iw upon sigma w. When sometime I is not given, that time we find the I from I is equal to p1 upon p0 into 100, and sometime w is not given, so we find w is equal to p0 q0. Okay, now we start the sum in exercise 1.4. Okay, the following data are obtained from the family budget inquiry of middle class people. State the change in the cost of living index cost of living in the year 2015 with respect to the year 2013 by finding the index number if the average monthly disposable income of a family in the year 2013 is rupees 15,000. Then obtain the estimate of the necessary average method disposable income in the year 2015. Now here the family information is given here, so we use the second formula. Okay, and we find the index number of 2015 first. Okay, the information is given is group, food, fuel, electricity, rent, clothing, and miscellaneous. Weight is known as a W, indicated by W, 45, 15, 10, 20, and 10. Expenditure 2013 given in rupees is the base year, so we indicate P0 here. Okay, and expenditure 2015 rupees, so we indicate P1 for this. So we make the table first. Your answer is start from here. Okay, first column is group, so group is given in the question: food, fuel, electricity, rent, clothing, miscellaneous. Okay, then second column is weight is indicated by W, capital W. Then expenditure 2013, this is a base year, so we put up P0 for this. Okay, 2015 expenditure is indicated by P1. Okay, so these four column is given in the question. Now we use the formula, this one, cost of living index number I is equal to sigma iw upon sigma w. Okay, so we want I and w. Okay, iw and w. So in this question already w is given and p0 and p1 is given. Now next column is we make for expenditure relative. The I is not given in the question, so we find I formula is P1 upon P0 into 100. How we find I is P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 is this and P0 is this. Okay, into 100. And last column is we want in the formula is IW. Okay. Now first we find we put up all the amount is food 45, expenditure in 2013 is 3000, and P1 is 3900. Now we find the I is formula is P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 is 3900, P0 is 3000. Okay, into 100. So answer is 130. Then how we find IW? I is we find 130 into W is 45. So 45 into 130, answer is 5850. First one is complete. Second data is 15. Fuel and electricity is given in the question. P0 1450 and expenditure P1 is 1850. we put up here the formula P1 upon P0 into 100. P1 is 1850 upon P0 is 1450 into 100. Answer is 127.6. Multiply IW. So 127.6 into 15. Answer is 1940. Okay. Second is rent. Rent is 10, 1500 and 2400. So P1 2400 upon 1500 into 100. Answer is 160. So 160 into 10, 1600. Same thing is clothing is 20, 600 and 900. So 900 upon 600 into 100. Answer is 150. So 150 into 20, 3000. Okay, then 10, 1600, 1920. So 1920 upon 1600 into 100. Answer is 120. So 120 into 10, 1200. We want sigma IW, so we total this column IW. So sigma IW is 13,564 and W's total is sigma W is equal to 100. Okay, this one.